Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the official Combat Warriors Roblox Discord server. So just load up Discord and then you wanna go to the bottom of your server list and just press on add a server. Then here we select join a server and this is what you type. So if you wanna join it, you have to type discord.gg/ and we type ECHRZ capital M UYAG. So ECHRZ capital M UYAG, and we press on join server. And as you can see right here, we have joined the official Combat Warriors Roblox server and we have to verify with Bloxlink. I will have a pinned comment on how you can verify with Bloxlink. Just click on Bloxlink and watch the tutorial. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.